Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This job lead is going to let you set your own hours so you can work whenever you want to. You can work from anywhere in the world, so there are no country restrictions. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages that I share are always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, I do just want to start out by saying that I work full time as a hiring manager in the United States. My expertise is going to be the United States job market. That's why I don't have a whole lot of international job leads on my channel. Just knowing where to find work from home jobs for other countries outside of the one that I live in and work in is a little bit difficult for me. But there are times that I come across jobs that don't have any restrictions, and so I do share those when I come across them. So thank you for my international viewers for bearing with me. But today we have the company SaaS Labs. They only have 74 reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, please do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. But out of the reviews they have a very high employee satisfaction rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer experience associate for their HelpWise division. Now, this is remote work from home. This is going to be a customer service position. You're going to end-to-end ownership of handling those customer support inquiries. You're going to collaborate with engineering and sales teams as required. So you're going to be communicating with international customers through email, live chat, and phone calls. You're going to handle certain aspects of customer success, trying to retain those customers, setting them up, and taking onboarding calls. You're also going to help write and update help articles, FAQs, and document support processes for the website and internal databases. As far as what they're looking for, 1 to 4 years of experience in customer service. They would give preference to people who have software as a solution or software as a service SaaS experience, but it's not required. You do have to have the ability to understand technology, though. They want somebody who has customer communication, it can be empathy with the customer, and has the ability to effectively write emails and can be a problem solver. Now, above that, you can work anywhere in the world and choose your own hours. They don't list pay because I'm assuming pay is going to be dependent on location and experience. So unfortunately, pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave down below in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you enjoy job leads like this, give this video a thumbs up like button. That gives me that direct feedback. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.